I think I'm in love. Nobody knows. I think I'm in love. Nobody knows, not even you. Nobody knows, not even you. Nobody knows, not even you, baby. Nobody knows, not even you. Hey girl.
Hey, it's so bright.
Sorry.
But it's alright. It's bright, but it's alright.
Welcome back to another video. I'm with the girl Vegan. Y'all be cool.
Y'all don't know me like that.
So we are headed to Motswana Craft for the GIMC poetry show,
Hi.
which is gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, that's it.
It's gonna be so dope. Can't wait to see you perform. It's gonna be amazing.
Oh my gosh.
What's up?
All right, we'll catch up. Bye.
But not skinny, packing a bumper. I want some, so come on. I'll be a gentleman if you say you want one. You feel me? I'm Chelsea, but looking at you got me thinking filthy. Why you like to work?
Le batho ba teng le ha ba ile gore ba itumetse ba tla gakologa mo go le botsaki bo ne bo dile go le jaanong microphone a o sa itshwarelle o ta bo go tshwanetse gore o kgabatetse ka gore ga o itse ka re microphone e tswitseng jaanong
He is not talking about a microphone. He lost the microphone.
this microphone yes, and then you give it to her to check about mic check 1 2 mic check
Teach us.
okay. Mic check 1 2 and I saw there is a microphone. Mic check 3 4 Yano microphone go ska itshwarela go laola diet, what kind of food you eat, how you manage the social dynamics around you. Stress is a choice. It's not the manifestation of the circumstances or the complications. It's a decision by yourself that because I don't have money to pay rent, therefore I have stress. By that time, we are looking for money to pay rent. If you accumulate a lot of stress, it leads to the dysfunction of the microphone. And the dysfunction of the microphone is the compromise of the masculinity. And the compromise of the masculinity, you end up being just a male, whilst we continue being male.
All right.
Very tippy someone. Hey, very tippy. Okay,
Adilo, au baling baliting ting ting hadilo boot. Baba itumetseng, baba fuletseng, ba khurumetseng leti eketseng ga babone, ba ba letseng gore tlosa ditilo ba leke diphilo wena monga dilo tseo di okameng tota go ka reng ga re ka botsa se ka ra tloga go fosa re botsa ba se ka ra tloga re fosa go sefa botsa ba ba neng ba le teng ga dilo ba maaka malele ditšhaka ga dingwe ke ba baka ba botse botsa ba ba neng ba le teng mo teng ga dilo
Go home today,
Gulubusi guloba bakati yini gogo nasi mati hisila bebuzi bano hane kani zinole mama tuti ikoko aikeli bushuti Dimi washulo.
Move on, we enter the battlefield. Beat the drums, we enter the battlefield. See, this war before our eyes is a war of good and evil, put together in the same pot. Spies with a damn righteous war to make it taste better. This war is a tunnel channeling today to tomorrow. No escape routes. Like the pregnant mother's waters, when they pray, they take way to a new life you cannot refuse. They will talk of this war for tomorrows and tomorrows to come. Why? How come? But yesterday, all those put in the mouths of the watchers, they tried to decipher the
I hope something comes over me and I figure that shit out someday. I hope I learn a thing or two about that too. That thing, God. Not the God that's got the hookup if I live by his conditions. I want complicated, messy God. The one who breaks the rules when I'm too arrogant to hear shit. The living God. The one who isn't patient with my maybe purpose, maybe growth. I want the God who sends my lessons raging back for me, much colder and much wiser than me. Till maybe hope will teach me how to live by all those things I claim I want my son to do. To read a lot, to eat less meat, to sleep at a generous hour, and to cry when I need to. Maybe hope. Oh, I hope I know surrender after all. Something like acceptance at the end of every day. Quiet mending of my soul. For all the things that should have gone my way if I were God, right? Away for all the magicness of who God really is to wash over me. Like a river would do if I were drowning in its fears, but I'm drowning in my own. I'm full of fear these days around things like hope. But maybe hope was sent here by something God, you know.
And it's a wrap, guys. This is me checking in from my apartment. It was a really dope night. First time performing at the Gaborone International Music and Culture Fest. I had so much fun. It was exciting, nerve-wracking experience. But I enjoyed myself. The feedback was great. Got a few connections. And I'm just simply excited for what the future holds. I love performing for you guys. So, I don't know. But yeah, basically I just wanted to say thank you for all the support. Thank you for watching this vlog. If you like this, if you liked what you just saw and you would like to see more, please leave a like down below and subscribe, comment, and tell me if you would like me to maybe start doing covers on the channel. I am trying to do a bit more of YouTubing, but we'll see, you know, with rehearsals and work, trying to squeeze this all in between there. But I do want to take you guys along with me for all the exciting moments. But otherwise, I'm happy. Thank you to all my friends for coming out. You guys are like so amazing. You guys are my family. I appreciate you. And let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Naked Soul sessions. I'm super excited. Also hella nervous, but we'll see how this goes. And yeah, until the next video. Bye guys.